Right, what's going on, y'all? Sean from MathSwap Tutoring, solving another SAT type math problem. Make sure that you actually attempt it on your own. That way, if you're a student who is preparing to take the SAT, this can actually be a benefit to you, um, to practice it on your own first, then look at the solution. All right. So this says in the XY plane, point PR lies on the line with the equation y equals x plus b, where b is a constant. The point with coordinates 2p, 5r lies on the line with the equation y equals 2x plus b. If p is not equal to 0, what is the value of r over p? Okay. All right. So let's see this again. In the xy plane, point PR lies on the line with the equation y equals x plus b. The point with coordinates 2p and 5r lies on the line of y equals 2x plus b. If p is equal to not equal to 0, what is the value of r over p? So if point PR, let's go ahead and write some things down here. So if you have this equation, y equals uh let's see, x plus b. If PR is on that line, that means when we plug that in, then that will make that equation true. So then you have the other equation, and it has the point 2p and 5r. Okay? Okay, cool. So, let's see. B is something that each of these has in common. So what I am inclined to do is solve each of these for B, and then once I solve those for B, then I might be able to do something. So let's do this here. So right here, B is equal to y minus x. Right here, B is equal to y minus 2x. Okay. Now, if each of these, if this is a point that's on this line, this is a point that's on this line, then if I plug it in, it makes it true. So let's plug this in. So x is p, y is r. So if I plug it in, B is going to be equal to r minus, so x is p. Here, B is going to be equal to y minus 2x. Y is 5r, so that's 5r minus 2, and then x is 2p. So in other words, B is equal to 5r minus 4p. Now, if this is B and this is B, these are the same thing. So that means that this must be equal to this. Keep in mind, I'm trying to find what r over p is. Okay, so let's see what happens here. So r minus p, it should be equal to 5r minus 4p. You see? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move 5r to this side. And then we move p to this side. So negative 4r is equal to negative 4r, 4p plus p is going to be minus 3p. Okay, so let me divide. I want r over p. So let's take our work over here. So that's 4r over 3p is equal to 1. So now I want to get rid of the 4/3, so I'll multiply by 3/4. So r over p is going to be equal to 3 over 4. Now let's confirm that 3/4 is the answer. And it is. So 3/4 is indeed the answer. Now I didn't look at the answer prior to solving this, so hopefully you didn't either. All right. Make sure you subscribe, like, share this video. If you want to keep posted whenever I post these, make sure you subscribe because that's when you'll find out whenever I post these. Keep practicing. If you want to join one of my free SAT math workshops, the link is in the description. All right. Y'all take care and have a good one.